what's up you guys? Welcome to another video today. So today's video is going to be a little bit of a JDM video and a little bit of just like shopping around. So we're not doing any rally kind of thing today unless we might install the tow hook. I'm not too sure. I'm going to be picking up my boy Wayne, and we're basically going to do some looking around, some browsing and stuff like that. I want to see maybe if I can see some headers for my car, if it's available. Also a strut bar for the front of my engine, and we're gonna see what we have. Get our car washes done for sure, because my baby is very dirty. And it's a beautiful day outside, so I hope you guys are having a great day. Let's get started.
I think that's same. I just want to make sure I don't put two different sizes on. It's ready though.
All right, so we're back at my friend's place. Basically we bought two of these guys, one size bigger. Unfortunately, we cannot get through the regular tow hook section because it's blocked by metal and frame. So I'm gonna try and attach it to the exhaust hanger. It's really stable, so wish me luck. All right, there we go. Not bad, not bad. All right, so we didn't have the bolt size, the right one. So what we did was did a little bit of a modification. Basically hooked it up to my exhaust hanger, and it actually is very sturdy, and it's really, really good. So I'm really happy with the results. My boy is the best. All right, I finally made it back home. I want to apologize for the lack of vlogging today. I was kind of busy, and there were certain places today that I didn't really want to film. Plus, I don't want to make my friend too uncomfortable. So I got little clips of here and there, as you guys saw for the tow hook install. But we're gonna take a closer look now at it. So first things first, I definitely want to clean out my trunk and my back seats. Obviously, I have to get rid of all the jack stands, obviously the bed, and I can't wait to show you guys this. So for this tow hook to actually work, I wouldn't really say not possible, but it's a certain big bolt size. Like I think it's like an M6 size, like M16 or something like that, and it was only an M12. So yeah, it's okay though. It's all right. You know what's crazy about driving? We did some exploring today. I went to like different parts of Montreal that I didn't even know about. We went around Mount Royal, which is a beautiful area. Like houses there that we passed by, 1 million and up, which is crazy. But you know, here in Montreal, we got some well-off areas. So for the tow hook, now this is how we have it installed. It's a bit of a weird way, but again, it's just for the looks. I have no plans, and I don't want to use it to tow a vehicle. So basically, if I can get a better angle for you guys. All right, so I'm not sure if you guys could see it from here, but this is how we have the tow hook installed. Basically, it's off the exhaust hanger. It actually works perfectly just like this, so I can't really complain. It's strange. Even me and my friend said it. There's no actual factory tow hook underneath the car, which is really, really strange. So we installed it just like this. Not the best, but you know what? This is perfect. You know, honestly, I didn't think of this, so he's got more brains than I do, 100%. Because I wouldn't know to buy the bolts, the washers, and just to screw it on like that. Now, we also went to Osaka JDM Motors and JDM Racing Motors. He's going to be getting next week his GC8 wheels, so I'm going to see if I'll make a separate video of getting him the wheels, and we're going to put them in my trunk, obviously, and it's going to look sick. And as soon as I get my income tax money in, I'm getting my wheels too. It's going to be perfect. It's going to be really, really cool. One thing I want to ask you guys about. So, obviously this is an idea, but once I get the rally decal on the body itself, I was actually thinking of painting or plasti dipping or whatever the rally armor. Now it's red, which is cool because it gives it that aggressive look, but I wanted to match the rally decal as well. So I might paint it, but paint will like crack and chip over time. So a plasti dip it's basically, it's not gonna rip up. As far as my friend, I understood him. He told me to plasti dip it, so that's definitely an option. Or I could just keep it red and get the rally armor in black. I'm not gonna put red rally decal on the body. It's gonna look too out there. You know, it's gonna gain too much attention. And today we had someone following us. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. So I actually had a cop behind me today, and my friend he's like, oh my god, I have to find a way how to get away from this guy. Basically, they weren't tailgating me. They were just probably running my plate, and it's whatever. I just don't care. Again, I know it's not much of a video, but I want to thank you guys very much for watching it and watching it until this time. And so yeah, rally episode number 2 completed, which is the tow hook. Next thing we're gonna do, yeah, probably the wheels for sure. That's gonna be on another video. I'll probably do it myself though. I'm not gonna have any garage do the wheels for me. So basically what I'm gonna be doing, I know a garage named Gordon's. They're actually really good, and they're very affordable. So for $500 I could actually get just the gold wheels itself, and my friend has wheels that I sold him, and he's gonna give them to me and I pay him after. And basically what that's gonna be is gonna save me a lot of money. And also once I get the tires on the wheels itself, all I gotta do is basically get that big ratchet or whatever you call it, and literally undo the bolts of my tire and just change the tires myself. That's all. And that's basically about it. Just to give you guys a little bit of another content, you know. I actually have to clean up my garage space a lot. These OEM WRX wheels, I'm actually gonna give them back to my friend because I'm not gonna use them since I'm getting my own wheels. But definitely gotta clean up my garage space. Just imagine like the car having gold wheels. It's gonna look sick. And by the way, so the tires that I sold my friend, he has them and they're still good for another 3 to 5 years. So he's gonna give those to me for a good deal. That way I just pay $500 for the wheels itself, and just get the tires installed with the wheels on. And basically there's like a big tool you use. I think it's called a ratchet, if I'm not mistaken. It's like a big ass bar. You can remove each bolt at a time off the wheel, and I'm gonna do that myself. I don't want no garage touching my car. The less I do at a garage and the more I do to my car, the better it is, because they tend to overcharge you or fuck you up or say something. So the more I stay away from garages and do the work myself, the happier I am. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel and hit that like button, guys. Show some support. And that's basically about it for episode number 2. For episode number 3, I could do a vlog for next week Monday, because we have something planned going on for next week Monday. Something to do with GC8. I'm not gonna say anything, but it's gonna be an interesting video. Until then, I'll see you guys very soon. Drive safe, be good to one another, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace. Oh!